Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn how to make button earring, and these are the items you need. Glue. You can either use the uhu glue or the jewelry glue. Flat button, button with shank, pearl beads, seed beads, stones, and then earring stud. So we'll first glue the back of our flat button and then add the stones. So if this is your first time watching any of my videos, then please kindly subscribe to my channel so that you'll be updated on my videos anytime I upload them. Currently we are doing a Skillpreneur training online, so if you are interested, I'll leave the link in the description box. You can go there. We'll be learning how to make fan or the feather fan, the fascinator, different types of fascinator by blocking with the cinnamon, the crinoline. I'll leave the details in my description, so if you are interested, you can go and then read more so that you know the details. So with this flat button, you can do it within 2 minutes. It's not difficult. The only thing you need is your flat button, your glue, and then your earring stud. But with the button with shank, you have to break the shank, so you need a metal cutter and break the shank from the button so that it will be easier for you to glue your earring with the earring stud, and you are good to go. So you'll be doing different types of the earring. This one, I just used the stone that we used to decorate the flat button, and it gave us a very nice earring. Very nice, simple but nice. So you can try this one out. It's very simple. Listen, just a second and you are good to go. Just a second and you are good to go. So you can try out. Very soon we'll be doing other types. So this is a different type of button that we tried with the button with shank, and we have pearl beads and then the seed beads. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, keep watching, and like, share, and then comment if you liked this video. I'm already loving it myself, so you can give us a thumbs up. Encourage me to do more videos. If you want to see more of me, comment, like, share, and then subscribe to my channel. So this one, I use the pearl beads. You just glue your earring stand and then put the pearls on top of it. So with the seed bead, glue them in layers. After you've glued the earring stand, and you top up with the first bead, glue it again, and then repeat the process till your desired result. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment.